So I'm back again with another unboxing video for you guys. I have been a little back and forth on this model, but after I've seen some cool pictures online, and I decided to pull the trigger and let's see what I got. So here's the box, nothing special, and as you can see, these are the Beckman in a black cherry Featherstone leather. It's my first pair of Beckmans. It's a really nice color, and it got the Rosia heel. None of my boots have this heel. I only got the Vibram, and on my 8111s I got the nitrile cork sole. Yeah. So this is the first one I have with the Rosia outsole, and they look really nice, and the color kind of can look different depending on the lighting. And you can see the inside of the boot here. It's kind of red, and it's kind of hard to do this one-handed, but you can see the tongue here. Size 10, 9011. It's the model, and I think the Beckmans are fully leather lined and not have that. I can't see that. Maybe. Oh, it's fully leather lined. I don't know if you can see that, but you see inside there the brown leather on the side and around the toe box. It's usually on the Iron Rangers and the blacksmith. It's not the leather. It's have some kind of fabric inside. Wow. These were beautiful, and I even got a box of boot cream in the burgundy. Some directions. I'm really looking forward to try them on and break them in. And if you want to see more videos about these boots, I'm willing to do that. I probably will anyway, so it doesn't matter. So I kind of like doing boot videos because I'm a boot addict. And some close-up shots here. Really nice. Okay, I hope you like and subscribe to my channel for future updates, and please leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Oops, sorry for that. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.